3-0, all you can think about is just trying to get over one game and try not to be swept. So yun lang naman ang pwede mo isipin at this point. Nasasayahan lang kami dito sa opportunity. This could have been our best chance to win against San Miguel. We would have been back in the race. Pero yun nga, it's a crucial game. You go down 0-3, it's almost impossible to get back. But if we had 1 and 2, medyo ano pa yun eh, medyo maganda pa odds nun. So we're in a deeper hole, but you know, sabi ko nga, we're in a long game. We want games like this, you want to be able to play the best teams and find ways solving yung mga strengths ng mga ibang teams, trying to improve on our weaknesses. So on that end, we're achieving it. Tingin ko, we're getting to be a better team every game. Of course, natatalo, pero pagpasok namin dito, sinasabi ko naman na ano na all we can do really is to make it hard for San Miguel to get to the finals. Learn in the process, and at the same time find out yung areas where we can improve. The experience is also very important. May experience nila yung ganito, may experience nila yung atmosphere ng semis, yung maraming nanonood, elimination round, halos konti lang nanonood. There's more pressure, there's more adjustments, no? So ando naman lahat yun. Of course, you're disappointed, you lost, but at the same time, you know the upside of the team is high, and for sure we will be a better team after this. Wherever we get, wherever we get to, manalo kami isa pa, matalo kami, maswim kami, we'll be a better team next conference.
Coach, what happened after the game? On your end, what happened to Terence and Konting?
Basic respect. Sa basic respect na alam mo naman na San Miguel is a class organization. Alam mo naman na kaibigan natin yung coaching staff nila, yung mga coach doon. That's just a minimum requirement for for respect. Lalo man tayong quotient sa lalo man tayong quotient sa tawag dito sa semis. And hindi naman bagong player si Terence. I'm sure alam niya yun. So nagulat din ako na ganun nangyari, na medyo bastusan ng labas. So I think yung the mere fact, no, na they're the seeded number 1, they're the best team, they're the best record, they have the best talent. That in itself should make them a class organization. And part of being a class organization is giving due respect doon sa mas mababa sa'yo. Pero yun nga, hindi naman ginawa, hindi nangyari. So nagalit din ako, I lost my temper. Pero deserving sila kung bastusan naman ang labanan. Ayaw mo naman mambastos, pero pag binabastos ka, naman mo magpapabuli ka din sa mga ganun. So it's just an expression of siguro expression of disappointment na expect mo doon sa ganung situation, matatapos kayo ng may respeto pa rin kayo sa isa't isa. Maganda naman yung laro eh. Wala namang nangyaring untoward. Wala namang situation na pwedeng sabihin nagjo-justify sa ganun. So, yun lang. Meron talagang ganun. May tao talagang bastos. Wala tayong magagawa. Taong mayabang, may taong bastos. Wala tayong magagawa.
Thank you, Coach.